Hello student, let us discuss chapter 6, that is square and square root. Here I am going to discuss some properties of this chapter. So let's start. Suppose this is a square. I am taking two columns, sides in sides of square and area in centimeter square. So if the side is 1 centimeter, area will be 1 into 1 square. If side is 2 centimeter, area will be 2 into 2, that is square of 2. This 4 centimeter square. If side is 3, area will be 3 square. If side is 4, its area will be 16, that is 4 square. If side is a centimeter, if its area will be a into a square, because we know area of square formula side into side. So here a is the natural number and this one a square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and a square. These are the square number. So product of numbers multiply by itself is called square number or perfect square. So these are the perfect square. In general, if a natural number m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. Suppose m is a square number, we can represent n into n, that is n square. So n square is a square number. Here where m and n both are natural number. Is 32 a square number? Can you see 32 a square number? We know that 5 square equal to 25 and 6 square is 36. If 32 is a square number, it must be square of the natural number between 5 and 6, but there is no natural number between 5 and 6. So 32 is not a perfect square. 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 6 का स्क्वायर 36, तो 5 और 6 दो नेचुरल नंबर के बीच और कोई स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है 25 और 36 के बीच. सो 32 एक स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है. फाइंड द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बिटवीन 30 एंड 40, दैट इज बिटवीन 30 एंड 40. स्क्वायर नंबर इज 36 बिकॉज स्क्वायर ऑफ 5 and square of 6 36. So 25, 36 और 49, इसके बीच से 36 से परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. स्क्वायर ऑफ द 50 एंड 60 के बीच स्क्वायर नंबर कौन सा है? स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 49 एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ 8 64. सो 49 और 64 के बीच कोई स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है. सो देयर इज नो स्क्वायर नंबर्स बिटवीन 50 एंड 60. This is a chart of the perfect squares. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. This is up to 30. Student, you can remember all these square numbers and write it in 2 times, 3 times, 5 times on your rough copy or classwork copy. That's why you can remind all the square numbers. So you should remind all the square number at least up to 30. So properties of square numbers. These are the square numbers: 11 square 121, 12 square 144 and so on. So all these numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at the unit place. See the square number. None of these end with 2, 3, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 7, 8 कौन से स्क्वायर नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस में नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस आर द स्क्वायर नंबर which ends with 0, 1, 4, 5 and 9. Can you say the following numbers are perfect square? How do you know? 1, 0, 5, 7 is a perfect square? No, because unit digit is 7. Okay, यूनिट डिजिट में 2, 3, 7, 8 नहीं रहता. यहाँ पे 1, 0, 5, 7 7 यूनिट डिजिट है तो नहीं है. सिमिलरली 7, 9, 2, 8, ये हियर यूनिट प्लेस इज 8. सो 7, 9, 2, 8 इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके, सी द स्क्वायर नंबर एंड नंबर्स. इफ नंबर इज 1, स्क्वायर नंबर इज 1. इफ नंबर इज 9, स्क्वायर नंबर इज 81. इफ नंबर इज 11, then square number is 121. See, observe this table. Following square numbers and with unit digit 1. Here if number is 9 also unit digit 1, and if number is 1 is unit digit is also 1. If number ends with 1 and 9, unit place is 1. Okay. In this section you can study the unit digit, about unit digit. So what will be the unit digit of the square of 81? Square of unit digit of square of 81 will be 1 because unit place is 1 here. Similarly, square of 799, what will be its unit digit? So unit digit of square of 799 also 1 because it ends with 9. Here it is 799. Its unit digit is 9. So apply these properties. 9 square 1, unit place is 1. So when you multiply 799 into 799, its unit place is 1. So unit digits of square of 799 be 1. Similarly, next properties, observe this table. Square numbers ends in 6. If number is 4, then square number is unit place is 6. If number is 6, then unit digit is square number is also 6. So when a square number ends in 6, the whose number square it is will have either 4 or 6. Okay. नंबर्स अगर 4 है तो उसका स्क्वायर नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट 6 होगा. इफ नंबर 6 है तो यूनिट डिजिट का स्क्वायर नंबर ऑल्सो 6 होगा. हियर इट इज 4. यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट नंबर बी 6. If unit digit of number is 6, then the unit digit of square of number be also 6. Okay. कोई भी नंबर अगर 4 और 6 में है तो इसका यूनिट डिजिट स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट 6 में होता है. Which of the following numbers would have digit 6 at the unit place? 19 square, 25 square, square of 26, square of 36, 34 square. 24 square unit digit is 4, 26 unit digit is 6, 36 unit digit is 6, and 34 unit digit is 4. So unit digit of number 4 is square will be unit digit will 6. So answer be 24 square, 26 square, 36 square, 34 square. यहाँ पे 19 का स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट 6 नहीं होगा. ओनली नंबर्स में 4 और 6 है तो यूनिट डिजिट का यूनिट प्लेस 6 होता है. स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट 6 होता है. इफ द नंबर्स has 5 in unit place, then its square ends in 5. We already know 5 square 25 and 15 square 225. So if unit digit of number 5, its square will be unit digit also 5. And similarly 15 square, 15 unit digit is 5 here. 15 का square is 225, unit digit also 5. 225 his unit digit is 5. So any number which ends in 5 is square unit digit of square of that number will also 5. If the number 0 in unit place is square ends with 0, we already know 10 square unit digit ends in 0 and is square. 10 square is 100. Its unit place is also 0. Okay. And similarly taken another example, 20 square. 20 square 20 unit place is 0 here, and 20 square is 400. Its unit place is also 0. So student, these are some examples of this properties of this chapter. Okay. Next we will discuss next section of this chapter. Thank you.